if somebody probably uses a bottle now and probably put it in your mouth for it to have some certain level of sexual nature, it is rape. Sexual violence is a component of any, unwanted sexual behavior by a party. So I mean, it constitutes sexual abuse, sexual assault, sexual harassment, rape, and other things. So sexual violence is basically just a larger form of speaking to, sexual and gender-based violence issues. So in trying to get a shortcut of saying sexual and gender-based violence, you could just say sexual violence. So it just constitutes all of the, sexual and gender-based violence. Well, a rape is a non-consensual penetrative action by a perpetrator. And it's amazing that when we finally got the VAPT Act or the VAPT law into Nigeria, we now realize that rape is just not about penetration alone, but even in terms of oral sex, as long as there is no consent whatsoever, it's rape. So the major component of rape is non-consensual. As long as any of these acts or activities are non-consensual, it is rape. But another important component is that penetration. So even when somebody, for example, uses we're going a little deep there, but if somebody probably uses a bottle now and probably put it in your mouth for it to have some certain level of sexual nature, it is rape. Most times you see that, rape is usually by people that you know. And if you look at it from the dynamics of the home or the family, you'd see that there's actually something called intimate partners. So you can be raped by your husband or your wife. Yes, as long as there's no consent. So we're still falling back to this word, consent. As long as there's no consent, it is rape. Rape could be by a stranger, complete stranger. It could be done anywhere, at any place, by people you know or by people you do not know. But in most cases, you would see that it is someone that you do know. And thankfully, our law has finally addressed the issue of intimate partners. We didn't have it in existence, but then now we do. And, we now know for sure that a married couple could actually rape a partner, basically. Let's start with the mental implication again. You have the issues of depression, anxiety, and all that. Rape could also lead to physical injuries, depending on how the activity occurred. Rape could lead to, complete isolation. Rape could lead to transmission of sexually transmitted diseases. It can even lead to unwanted pregnancies. So rape has an extreme effect on the victim or survivor. Very extreme.